Hi, and welcome back to Dr. Karen's Math Hacks. I've never been good at borrowing when I do subtraction, so I've come up with a number of ways around that. I've showed you a couple other ways to do subtraction without borrowing, but I still have one left. Let's see what it is today. I recently had a student dealing with a problem that looked like this. Now that looks pretty ugly, doesn't it? But it's not really. Let's think about what subtraction really means. If we put the numbers on a number line, we're looking for what distance this is. Now, one trick that we can have is we can have the same distance, but if we can slide it down some. We can take 49 out of each of these and make the problem a lot easier. Okay, that becomes 100 minus 1/2, which is 99.5. Let's look at how we can do some other problems. So let's look at 143 minus 27. All right. We can just subtract some numbers out to make it easier. So this is the same thing as 123 minus 7. We subtracted off the 21st and now just have the 7 left. We can take it further and subtract some more. We can say 120, taking 3 out of each of these, minus 4. That gives us 116. So whether you pick the number on the bottom or you pick the number on the top, you can subtract the same amount out of both of them and still have the same answer. Let's look at another example. Let's look at 573 minus 84. All right, look at the 57 and the 8. Let's take 80 out of each of them. 57 minus 8 is 49. Now we'll take out 3 to get rid of this one. 490 minus 1, 489. How about another one? 732 minus 48. All right, so let's take out 40. That gives us 692 minus 8. Take out another 2, and we have 690 minus 6, 684. And just to show you, let's do the standard borrowing here. Okay, we take the 7 and make this a 6. That becomes a 13. We make that a 12, so that gives that a 12. Okay, 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 minus 4 is 8, and 6, 684. But subtracting off in pieces is much easier. Let's do one more. 234 minus 68. Okay? Look at the 23 and the 6. We can subtract off 6. 23 minus 6 is 17. And then we can subtract off 4. It gives us 170 minus 4, which is 166. So if you notice, my technique is to get rid of the number in the tens column and then make this number 0. $508 minus 89. 50 minus 8 is 42. So that gives us 428 minus 9. Subtract off the 8, we get 420 minus 1, 419. I find these techniques easier than borrowing because I always have trouble keeping track of which is a 9 and which is a 10 and what numbers have been borrowed from or not. I hope you found this interesting and useful, and I'll see you next week. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing or hitting the like button. I'll be posting another math hack next week.